Alright everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna take a look at a few of the Cydia tweaks that are really awesome, really nice, and in my opinion they're must-have Cydia tweaks on your jailbroken device. And before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. Now that is out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys all the tweaks that we are going to talk about in this video. Now the first thing we're gonna do, we want to go to Cydia. Once we go to Cydia, and then what I'm gonna do, you can go to the search bar and search these, or I'm gonna go to the installed recent, and we're gonna find the first tweak that is going to be, let me find it, and it's going to be right here. It's called App Switcher Controller. Now this tweak, as you guys can see the description, App Switcher Controller, control your app switcher, request iOS greater or equal to 13. Now with this you can see possibility, choose the switcher style, default iPhone or iPad, and the app switcher card, app icon, able, disable. So you can have all these options, and all you have to do, download this tweak, and then you go, once you download this, all you want to do is go to your settings, and once you go to settings, go to tweaks, and from tweaks, as you guys can see right there, this is the tweak. It's called App Switcher Controller, and from here with the default it's going to be off. So what do you want to do? The first thing, you want to turn this on. And the next one, you can see you have three options: default, iPhone, or iPad. As of right now, I'm on option iPhone. And then the next option, you can do app switcher card. If you click on that, you can, as you guys can see, you can hide the app icon, or you can hide the app name. So now the next option, as you guys can see right there, app switcher background. Now you can do the wallpaper scales, home screen scales, and the home screen capability, and the blur and the dimming. You have all those options. And then once you happy with your setting and however you want your app switcher to look like, and all you have to do on the top right corner, just hit that respring button, and your device is going to go into the respring, and once they come back, then you will see the different. So that is the tweak called app switcher controller. Now and next one we're going to talk about is the, let me find that for you. Type in the name of that tweak, and so as you guys can see right there, this is the tweak. The next tweak is AutoPlayX iOS 13 Sport. So now as you guys can see, if I click on the modify, it's asking me to reinstall, and ignore the $359 the payment. You don't have to purchase that. You can download for free. And what I'm gonna do, what all you can do with this tweak, there's a little clip, the video clip. I'm gonna play that, and you guys can see it will show you how to apply that. So as you guys can see right there, so now you guys can see the phone is locked, but you guys can see there's a live wallpaper when you receive a call, and these are the settings. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this, and there's a description for it and all that, but I'm gonna go to my device, and I'm gonna go to settings, then we're gonna go to tweaks. Then once we go to tweaks, and then we're looking for the AutoPlayX, which is right there. And now the first option is able tweak, and then the second one is use live photo as a ringtone. So you can choose that, and what's gonna happen once you choose all that and you turn those on, and then all you have to do respring, and also in the bottom it show you as you guys can see right there how to use. So the current version only support incoming calls when the device is locked. You need to set the wallpaper to set as incoming live photo. So all you have to do, you have to set the live wallpaper for your lock screen, and then once you do that and turn on these both options, and then all you have to do respring, it will take effect, and then you'll see you will have beautiful live wallpaper when you're getting a call from anybody. So now that's done. So we're gonna go to the next one, and then the next one we are going to talk about is it's this one right here, CacheClearerX. Now, so with this one, you can cache clear on your applications. So I'm going to show you guys, as you guys can see, it show you in the description, the modern and the still and all that. So there's a screenshots how you can do this, and it is comparable with iOS all the way up to 13.6. So let me show you guys how to use this. So as you guys can see right there, if you go to, once you download this, go to your setting and the tweaks, and this is the interface for this. And as you guys can see, you can set as a 3D touch, force touch shortcut, or you can do shortcut hectic feedback, or you can do shortcut alert. So once you turn these on with the default, once you download, these gonna be off. You have to turn it on manually, and once you do, just on the top right corner, you guys can see it says respring. Once you respring your device, when it come back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna 3D touch on the Facebook icon, and then as you guys can see right there, the bottom option, clear cache. All you have to do, hit that, and then as you guys can see, you get the pop-up message like this: cache has been cleared. The app may use more data or run slower on next launch to repopulate the cache. So basically, you're not losing anything. You know, sometime we can do the same for the Safari. There you go. And then because once you open a lot of website and you know using one application over and over again, and there's a lot of junk pile up. So that's how you clear that, and then that way you can save some data on your like space on your device. So that's the easiest way to clear your cache. So now the next one we are going to talk about is we're gonna go to Cydia, and the next one is CC time. So there it is. So it's called CC time 13. With this, as you guys can see, the description, add a clock to your control center. Option to configure, position the clock inside the CC in portrait screen mode. And as you guys can see, there's a few screenshot, and I'm going to show you guys on my device. Once you download this, go to settings, and then go to tweaks, and then as you guys can see, this is the tweak, and you turn this on, and then you position wherever you want to put your clock. So you can do side by side, up and down, and then side by side again. So once you configure and once you are happy with the position that you set it up, all you have to do is respring your device, and it will take effect. And let me show you guys in my control center. If I drag down, and as you guys can see right there, where it says all the platter is the airplane mode on top right left corner. You can see it says 1:36 p.m. because I haven't I haven't messed with that. You can actually put between right there between these between the battery and the mobile Wi-Fi. You can put that between right there, so you have the time too. So yeah, it's really easy, really awesome tweak. So that way you have access to the time in your control center. Now the next one we are going to talk about today, it is the, let me find that for you guys. So we're gonna go to install the recent, and it is right here. This is the theme we are going to talk about, and with this, as you guys can see right there, before we can begin, I would like to shout out to the amazing people. None of this would been have possible without you. So these are the people who work on it, and with this, as you guys can see, the future, there's a 1,900 plus icon with more coming. So there's a 1,900 icons that will take effect for your springboard, and there's UI switchers. There's two message bubbles style, the iPhone. So this is really nice. There's a lot of stuff with this tweak theme that you can apply to your device. So as you guys can see right there, this is one of the picture, and then as you guys can see, this is the second one, and there's so much you can do with this theme. As you guys can see, this is the control center, and I'm going to show you guys. If I drag down, bring the control center, and as you guys can see right there, this is the icon, all the way in the bottom, last one, and all you have to do, click on this, enable it, click this to disable. So it's really nice, really awesome theme, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now the next one we're going to talk about is, I'm actually gonna find this by searching. So it is right there. It's NotiFill, and with this tweak, what you can do, see when notifications are about to leave. So let's say you get a notification, and you get the drop down from your status bar, and it will have the color, and it will have the little effect that it will show you the minute you get the notification, and when they're gonna disappear. And I'm gonna show you guys on my device. If I go to setting, go to tweaks, and this is the tweak, and all you have to do, enable this, and then you can set the delay second until animation begin. So I'm keeping a 0, so the minute you get the notification, and it will the scrolling bar will start, and it will tell you when is. And also with this option, custom the color, so you can go to Google, search for the your favorite color, and then copy the code and just paste it right there, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. And the best thing is, for this tweak, you don't have to respring or anything. It will take effect automatically. So this is awesome. It's really nice tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.